Okay, let's get straight into this effect. I took this image of someone's eyes off the internet. Please don't sue me. This is the image, so I'm just going to change the correction to however dark I want it. I think this suits good. And I have my stock footage of fire. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to resize this to about here to line it up with the eyes, and I'm going to the video effects tab under format, and I'm going to the soft edges, and I'll choose, let's see, 50, and of course I set my video animation to play. Okay, now you just have to make sure that line it up at the exact spot that the eyes are. Now it still comes up over the eyelashes, so you just want to play around with it so that it looks how you want it to look. Okay, that's good. Now this effect, this soft edges effect, would work perfectly since we're dealing with darkness and most of it is black, so it would be a lot easier to work with. So basically you play around with it until it suits how you want it, and well, you duplicate this same thing and put it on the other eye, and make sure that you set the animation to play with previous so that it plays together. Play around, keep playing around with it until it suits your preference. I actually like how that looks. So that's the effect. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like under this video, leave a comment, and if you want, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.